What's up, you guys? It's me and Turquoise. We're here with
Slick motherfucking Woods.
Slick motherfucking Woods. That's right. Just three queens hanging out in Soho. No
Don't
less.
assume my royalty. I'm a king.
Oh, okay, sorry. Kings. Three kings. We're gonna spin this freaking wheel, and you're gonna play a little game based on what it lands on, and then you're gonna win a prize from Savage X Fenty.
Whew. Let's do this.
Whipping or pinching?
Whip me.
Whip me, Turquoise. I'm obsessed. Who, what, where? Okay, so who would you do what to where?
I would snog J-Lo in a hot air balloon.
I would give Clint Eastwood a sponge bath in Paris. I would retwist Whoopi Goldberg's hair in an attic.
Ooh. Truth or dare?
Would you be chill, like whipping me with the little whip? Date, marry, ghost. Date, marry, ghost. Alexander Wang, Karl Lagerfeld, Raf Simons.
Oh, damn.
Oh, close go. Okay.
The DM slide. Tell us the weirdest thing someone has DM'd you.
Okluku muklava. And it meant corrugated cardboard. And I was like, that is...
I'm stimulated. My nipples are hard. I forgot to tell you why Turquoise doesn't talk.
What?
She won't talk until Rihanna releases the album.
Well, that
Or
bitch
free.
gonna be quiet for a minute. I can make you talk.
Hello.